know, my name is Prince Kaya, so please hold on, wait. Before you even do anything, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm telling you, it's going to be lit. It's going to be lit. So yeah, so just go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now before I even finish this conversation. You know, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Thank you. So yeah, so this is a get ready with me video. This is my first video for YouTube. I decided to do a get ready with me because I feel like, you know, you get to really get to know me and, you know, get to vibe with me as I get ready, you know, because, you know, I'm about to go out. Let me take a sip real quick. Yeah. That's good. That is so good. Yes, that is good. But yeah, so this is the get ready with me video. I'm about to go out to the club. So this is my look that I do when I go out to the club or whatever. You know, I like to have this really glowing, radiant effect. And this is it. And I will tell you and I will forewarn you that, you know, I'm not talking as I'm doing this look because of certain things that are going on in the background. So I was like, oh, I couldn't do it. So I had to do a voiceover instead. So please bear with me and please let me know what you think about this look and if I need to improve anything, because I'm like really, I've been doing makeup for a while, but you know, I'm not the best. So let me know what I can improve on. You know, a bitch gonna do it. So do that in the comments below. Let me know what you think about this look and let's get right into it. So as you can see, I already did my eyebrows. So I did that off camera because I really had to, like, I need the mirror to be like right in my face, like, so I can do it. And I was like going off the camera, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna do this off camera. But if you all would like an eyebrow tutorial, let me know in the comments below and I will create a video where I just do my eyebrows. So right now I'm about to use this lip primer by MAC. It's the Prep and Prime. I'm going to use this just to prime my lips. So I'm going to put this on my lips. To moisturize my lips, because it like really sink into your lips and it really moisturize your lips. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my moisturizer, and it's by Neutrogena. It's called Hydro Boost. I'm telling you guys, this thing right here, if you all know any other good moisturizers that are like similar to this, please let me know. But this right here is the bomb. I'm telling you, like, this really like hydrates my face because I have like really dry skin, and this really hydrates my face. So after I hydrate my face, I'm going to go in with this Strobe Cream Hydratant Lumineux by MAC, and I'm going to use this as another moisturizer. I use two moisturizers, but I like using this one because it has like the glitter stuff in it, because I like to be glowing, and this like really, this one is really beneficial if you want that glow. If you're trying to like really get a glow, you got to use everything that you possibly can use to benefit you within the process of achieving that glow effect. So I just apply it all over my face like this. You get in my beard sometimes, but that's okay. Feel kind of whoopsie. So now I'm about to go in with my Nars foundation. This is the, supposedly this is new. It's the natural radiant longwear foundation, and this is in the color MD4. And I just got this today, so I'm about to try this out. I really don't know how this is going to be. I tried it on in the store, but you know when you try stuff on in the store, then you get home and you try it on for yourself, it's like, damn, you know? So I'm going to just apply this on my face. I don't know how many squirts I should use. It's not coming out. What? Okay, it's coming out now. I'm going with this. And I really just started using this concealer, and this concealer is the bomb. When I tell you, I really do love it. I really do love this concealer. I'm just going to take, you only need like a drop of this. I'm going to take a drop and put it on the brush, on the beauty blender. I'm just going to dab it under my eye. So for the remaining of the video, I'll be doing a voiceover because like I said, it was too much going on in my background. So I had to stop talking. So right now I'm just going in with my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade of Espresso. And I'm just going to use that as my contour. Here I'm going in with the Micro Contour Dual Pencil from NYX in the shade Deep Profound. So I'm just going to go down the bridge of my nose on each side so I can have a sharp, pointy nose. I really don't be having a sharp, pointy nose. I really got to step my game up with my contour. So right now I'm just about to go in with a small brush just to blend out that contour on my nose. So here's the fun part. I love this part of the process of doing my makeup. I'm about to set my highlight. So I'm using Ben Nye Banana Powder to set my highlight. And I'm just going to place that wherever I use my concealer, my highlighting concealer at. And I already went in. As you can see, I used a darker shade powder to set my contour as well, and I also went ahead and put some of that powder underneath my contour so it can make my cheekbones pop out even more. Yes. So we just gotta bait, and you just gotta bait for about like 5 minutes because your face got to cook. So, I'm just there chilling, having me a sip of this nice cocktail. Oh, that was so good. So now I'm just going to dust off all that powder that's on my face. And I know my face look real ashy right now. I know. So don't be talking about me in the comments because I know my face look ashy right now. But we are going to fix that, okay? We really going to fix that because right now my face just looks so ashy, and that's why I was looking at myself because I'm like, oh my god, my face looks so ashy. But when you do that with the powder, it makes your face look like that. So now I'm about to use my Mineralized SkinFinish powder by MAC in the shade Dark Tan just to give me some life back into my face because I used all that powder and my face was looking ashy, so I'm just using that to blend it out. I'm using Lovejoy Mineralized Blush by MAC. So I'm going to use that as a blush. And I usually don't use blush when I'm doing my makeup as a guy. I usually only do it if I'm like doing drag, or if I'm trying to impersonate a female. So, yeah, this was something new I just started to do. And I just kept doing it. And it actually turns out to be nice, so I like it. Now I'm going to go in and highlight my face so I can be glowing for the gods. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Glow Kit in the shade Glow Guitar. I love this palette. This palette is amazing. Like, all these colors in this palette just give me so much freaking life. Now I'm going to go in with this CoverGirl mascara to make my lashes extend. I usually don't wear false lashes unless I'm doing drag, but I guess for certain looks, I might pop on a lash, so my eyes can be popping, But for this look, I'm not going to wear any false lashes. Yes, look at that. highlight, bitch. So now I'm about to go in with my Prep and Prime Fix Plus Spray by MAC, the rose one. Oh my gosh, I love this spray. I drenched myself in this. It smells so good and it's so refreshing. Ugh, I love it. So now I just gotta fan myself, going crazy because I have so much on, so I have to let that dry off. Now, let me tell you guys about this right here. This is another one. This is called the GoldLite Fix Plus Spray by MAC as well. And I'm telling you, if you really want to get your glow on, you need this. Because it has these glitter crystals in it, and it just like wants to hit your face. Ooh, 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 ooh. See, I'm getting blind just by looking at my highlight. I'm just like popping right now. Wait. We're not done yet. It's one more spray we gotta use. It's by Urban Decay. Woo! This right here. This is like spritz for your face. I'm telling you, it's called All Nighter by Urban Decay. It really sets your makeup and it makes it stays in place. Okay? So this is the finished look. It's not too much. I told you guys it wasn't too much that I did. But as you can see, my highlight is popping. I'm glowing. You know, when I walk in the room, you know people will be looking at me because you're going to get blind by how popping my highlight is. But this is the glow. This is the glow experience that I just gave you all. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. More videos to come. Thank you so much.